Welcome. Uh, this video is going to explain how to unzip a file that I will send you, which will be a program. I say a file, that's actually not correct. the, the programs are made up of approximately 52 different folders and files. They're very, very complicated, and together they are much too large to send in an email. So I can condense them, which is what I have done, and I have made all of the tutorial programs. I've already done them for you, and I have zipped them so that they're condensed and they don't take up that much space. For example, can you see here? Guess the president, French numbers, flags.zip, and we go from chapter to chapter. There's going to be many of these programs. Here I have greetings, tutorial zip, demo zip, sale price zip. Can you? Of course, you don't have access to these yet, but again, you're going to see these zip files. And so, for the rest of this course, all the way down to the very last week, you're going to be downloading example programs. And it's from these example programs that you will learn how to program the assignment that I'll give you in the course. So these are called zip files, and your problem is you're going to have to unzip them. So this is going to be the video on how to unzip a tutorial that I may send you. So let's pretend here that you have now watched the video and you're ready to go. So you might want to download French numbers. So you're going to open this. Okay, it says here download French numbers.zip. This document cannot be displayed in Canvas. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on download French numbers.zip. I don't know if you noticed, but over here near the top, a file was downloaded, and we're going to then click on it. Okay, and it will open up here in this window. Okay, it's the downloads window. It's under your downloads on your computer. Okay, it's now a zip file, so we got to select it. And once you select it, you go right up here and it says extract all items in this folder. So the whole thing has been condensed. It's made much smaller. And what we're going to do is now extract. We're going to unzip it. So I'm going to click on extract all. It says where do you want to put this? So let's suppose I am going to put it in. Let's see here, CSC 111 Visual Basic. Let's suppose I decide that that's where I'm going to put it. So let me check. C user OneDrive. Okay, that's where it's going to wind up because it's a shame if you unzip it and then you can't find it. Okay, so you should always browse and make sure you got it in the right spot so you'll be able to find it. And then there's a button down here. And this button is going to then unzip. It's called to extract. So I click on extract, and now I will find this program right here called French numbers. And if I click on it, I will see it has the SLN file. It is now Visual Basic Program. Let me just back up here and let's see here. All right. Now, once I've done that, then I'm going to go to Visual Visual Studio, and let me go to Visual Studio. I'm going to open that up. Okay, and then I'm going to, it's not in the list. I haven't done this before. So I'm going to say open a project. It looks like it take a minute. Okay. And so now I have to go back where I have it, where I put it. And let's see, I think it's here. Boop, boop, boop. Let's see. Is it there? Yeah, there it is, French numbers. And so I'm going to, again, I'm going to open this up. And remember, you always open the SLN. It's called the solution file. That's the only file we're going to open this entire semester. Of course, the names of the programs will change, but it's always going to be the SLN file. You then go to open, click on the open button, and let's see here. Say, do you trust this? Yeah, I trust it. It's fine. Okay, okay. This is an older version. Some of these programs were I put them online many, many years ago, and so they need to be updated because this is a brand new version of Visual Studio. Okay, so now I can see at the top here, French numbers. I don't see the form. So if you read the handout, when you don't see your form, you come over here to what's called the Solution Explorer, and you double click on that Form 1. And then you would come over to if you don't see, if you want to see your code, of course, your code, you go to the view menu and you can click on code and you can look at the code. All right, so the purpose of this video was to show you how to download a zip file that I'll be providing you throughout this course. There's probably 30 or 40 of them, and you're going to look at these files and you're going to say, gee, I wonder how they work. And you're going to look at the form, and then you're going to look at the code. What happens if I click on button 1? Okay, it says label status dot text is going to be equal to UN. Display the French word for one, un. And then display the French word for two if you click on button 2, deux, and trois, and quatre, and cinq. So these, down here we have the clear. You want to analyze, look very closely at how these programs that I'm providing you with, how they work. They then become examples or models that you can use what you learn by studying them in creating your own projects in this course. Okay, again, this is how to unzip and then load in a file.